I got a Wi-Fi range extender, and the question is, does it work? For the initial setup, you're gonna have to take your Wi-Fi extender and bring it fairly close to the same room that your router's in. First, you want to turn on your Wi-Fi extender. Wait for it to boot up. When it's done booting up, the power light is going to turn green. And then you're going to click WPS on the Wi-Fi extender. And then you're going to click WPS on your router. And after a few minutes, it should sync together. And when it's done syncing, you're ready to go. You'll take it anywhere you think will be most beneficial. But check this out. So I'm usually connected to the main Wi-Fi in my room because that's where I'm usually at. It'll rename the same name that you have and put EXT at the end. Here's a diagram of how you want to set it up. This is your main Wi-Fi, and then this is the extension. The real question is, does this work? The Wi-Fi extender uses the same password for your network, so I'm gonna do a speed test of the regular Wi-Fi. Look at that internet speed. Right now we're paying for 60 megabytes download per second and 4 megabytes upload. And here you can see the biggest difference of all.